Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to participate in the Season 40 Shuffle Draw event in Mobile Legends. Now let's get started. So first things first, to join the event, just head into the Events tab in MLBB, then look for the Golden Month section and tap on Shuffle Draw. That's where everything happens. Once you're inside, you won't be able to draw right away. You'll need Shuffle Draw vouchers first. And the good news is you can get these for free just by playing the game. All you have to do is log in daily, complete a few matches, and finish weekly tasks like winning games. Now, here's how the event actually works. Every voucher lets you do one draw, and each draw gives you a random reward from the pool. This can include skins, fragments, or other items. The more you draw, the better the rewards get. And eventually, you're guaranteed to get higher tier skins like special or even epic skins if you keep going. And one important thing to remember is that you can only claim one final reward during the whole event, so don't rush it. Keep drawing, upgrade your reward, and only claim when you're satisfied with what you got. Also, your draws will prioritize skins you don't already own, so it actually increases your chances of getting something new. And that's about it. That's basically how to participate. Play matches, collect vouchers, and keep drawing, and wait for the best reward before you claim it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!